In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership of a Google Docs document. This process is essential if you're passing on responsibilities or simply need a colleague to take charge of a document's management. Now, let's dive into the details of how to effectively transfer ownership in Google Docs. First, navigate to the Google Docs document you'd like to transfer. This is your starting point. You'll see several options on the page, but our focus will be on the top right corner. There, you'll find a blue Share button. This is your gateway to changing document settings, including ownership. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click the Share button, a pop-up window will appear. Here, you'll see a list of people the document is currently shared with, and you'll also have the option to invite more. If the person to whom you wish to transfer ownership is not already listed, you'll need to add them. Simply type their email address into the designated field, and this will facilitate sharing the document with them. It's important to remember that the new owner must have a Google account. If you've already shared this document with the intended recipient, you can skip the email entry step. For those who haven't, proceed to type in their email address and share the document. Once you've added them, click the blue Share button once again to proceed. This confirms the invitation to collaborate on this document. Now that the person is shared on the document, take a closer look at their name in the list. Next to their email address, there's a drop-down menu that shows their current access level. By default, it might say something like Editor, which allows them to make changes but not manage sharing settings or ownership of the document. Click on this drop-down arrow, and from the menu that appears, you'll find the option to transfer ownership to them. Select Transfer Ownership from this list. Upon choosing to transfer ownership, you'll trigger a confirmation message to ensure this action is intentional. Transferring ownership means the new owner will have full control over the document, including the ability to share it and modify access settings. If you're sure about this transfer, go ahead and click Send Invitation. This step is critical to confirm that the recipient agrees to accept the ownership of the document. And that's it. With these steps, you have successfully initiated a transfer of ownership in Google Docs. Be sure to inform the recipient about this change, as they'll need to accept the new responsibility on the document. This straightforward process helps ensure that the right people hold the authority necessary for your collaborative projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your documents more efficiently.